This is like a crappy situation, ma'am.
On today's episode of Dirty Jobs. What is up, YouTube? It's Lauren back with another video. So this morning I had a long morning of editing a video for you guys. So by the time you see this, I'm sure you will have seen the lake video. I just barely got back from the gym. So for this evening's agenda, we're washing a cattle trailer and getting it ready to sell. You know, you never know what to expect around here. We're always trading on something, buying something to resell it, make a little profit off of it. That's what we're gonna be doing. So let's go wash this thing. All right, here she is. Woohoo! This should be fun cleaning out that cow manure. I am 100% exaggerating. I am not excited for this. The thought sounded fun at the beginning, you know. Wash it off, make some money. That still sounds like a good idea. You know, just trying to make $1. But this is gonna be nastier than I was expecting. Like, don't get me wrong. I've always lived on a farm. Not afraid of a little dirt. But this is gonna be pretty disgusting. Quick shoe change, because although the Hey Dudes are very versatile, I don't plan on getting cow crap on them today. Now, this one here is not quite as nice as this one, as you can tell, but that's alright. We're not trying to keep this one. Like I said, we're just trying to make $1. Yeehaw! Get her done. Here we have the nice feather light, but it is 100% not as light as a feather. So I don't know why they lied like that when they named it that. She's a heavy son of a gun. Looking a little bit worse than I thought this was gonna be, but that's why we got the boots on and the gloves. We've already found our first treasure in the trailer. This nice handy dandy tire gauge. Okay, it doesn't work, but it's covered in cow crap.
This is like a crappy situation, ma'am. Can you not teach your animals to poop when they get home instead of going down the road? Y'all don't have bathroom breaks?
Yeah, we don't have a toilet on board here. So they just...
No manners at all, huh?
Not at all. Gotta love it.
So what you been hauling there? Cows or buffalo or what?
Cattle, buffalo, a few horses, a few of those.
Any boyfriends?
One or two.
One or two.
I mean one.
This is like an all-day project?
We'll be here all night. Here she is. Here's the finished product. On to the next project. We've got to check out the situation with the Taurus that you guys seen us buy before we destroy it. So let's go see what's up with it. I'm gonna do a walk around for people who were saying this was too nice to beat up. Well, we've got this here. this cute little feature right here. And the fact that she doesn't hold any water is also an issue.
I'm gonna cut the converters off, make a little money back, so this car will be free.
Got that muffler off. Special thanks to our handyman for getting the job done. What we finna do next?
About to rip out the airbags.
Me, sir, I like your new ride.
Yeah, that'd be cool, man. We're gonna make a vertible out of it. We can't afford no vertible.
Really?
Make one.
Wow.
We're gonna get some dynamite and blow the top off. You got these tweeters. You know what a tweet is?
I do.
Tweety bird, tweet, tweet. Glue this mug back together. They got the Gorilla Glue. I guess they glued their tail light back in.
That's some great fluid.
They got a spar.
It do.
Man, look at that. Got no jack, but it's got a spar. What are you doing?
I'm reading the Taurus quick tips for an 02 model.
You got driving tips in it? How to drive in ice and snow, how to win a race.
It does. Right here on page 43 tells how to win a race. But I don't need to know that. See, I can win, no problem. I don't need.
This video is not sponsored by Ford, although we will gladly take it. Driving this car.
Who driving this Taurus?
It just left the handyman exhaust shot. This thing is gonna sound nice.
Alright, well we finished our tune-up. Let's see what she does. Our number 16 put on there, but I think I want to hit her with a little more spray paint because why not? Well, she's ready to go. Follow along to see what we do to her next. Catch you guys then. Like and subscribe.